Hi everyone, here we've got TCL 20 SE and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let me explain. We will have two different ways to block a number. The first one is using directly your contact list and the second is using the settings. Of course, I will show both options and let's begin with the contact list. Let's tap on the dialer, go to your contacts and find the contact you would like to block. Let's tap on it and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on block numbers. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me untick this option, and if you are ready to block a number, just tap on block. And as you can see here, we've got the information that this this contact has been blocked, so it means that you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Obviously you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the three dots icon, tapping on unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this because we will check if it will appear on the blacklist actually. So let me show you the second way to block a number. It doesn't matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on this three dot icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. Here we've got the number we just blocked from the contacts. What's more, we can add a number manually. Just tap on this option, add a number, and here you can manually enter the number you want to block and tap on block. And as you can see, it is also immediately applied to the blacklist, so it means that you won't receive calls or texts from blocked numbers. What's more, we've got the option unknown, so after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, it means that your device will block calls from unidentified callers, so that's quite a cool option. Obviously you can turn that off whenever you want to just by tapping on the switcher again. So if you'd like to unblock the number, all you have to do is simply tap on those X buttons right next to it and tapping on unblock. And as you can see, they immediately disappear. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your TCL 20 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.